Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to add emotes to Discord so you can create and use animated GIFs easily inside Discord. Step 1. Go to Discord and click the server name at the top left and select Server Settings. This is where you control all server customization options. Make sure you are the server owner or have the Manage Emojis and Stickers permission. Step 2. Scroll down and click Emojis or Emojis and Stickers depending on your Discord version. Step 3. Click Upload Emoji and choose an image file from your computer. Discord supports PNG, JPG, and GIF files for emojis. Step 4. After uploading, give the emoji a name. This name is what users will type between colons to use the emote in chat. Step 5. Click Finish, go back to the servers page. Step 6. To use the emoji, click the conversation and press Enter. The emoji will now be available for everyone in the server to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful tutorials.